Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to make a guinea pig feel safe? Let's explore. Creating a secure environment for your guinea pig is essential for its well-being. Start with a spacious, well-ventilated cage placed in a quiet area of your home. Avoid high traffic or noisy locations that can cause stress. Provide plenty of hiding spots within the cage. Guinea pigs feel safest when they have places to retreat, such as tunnels, hideouts, or even cardboard boxes. These hiding places offer a sense of security and help reduce anxiety. Handle your guinea pig gently and regularly to build trust. Speak softly and move slowly to avoid startling it. Offering treats can help create positive associations with your presence. Ensure the cage has soft bedding and is cleaned regularly to maintain a comfortable and hygienic environment. Fresh water and a balanced diet are also crucial for your guinea pig's health and happiness. In summary, to make a guinea pig feel safe, provide a quiet, spacious cage with plenty of hiding spots, handle them gently, and maintain a clean and comfortable environment. These steps will help your guinea pig feel secure and content. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.